Starting a window cleaning business can be a lucrative and rewarding venture. But like any business, it takes careful planning and execution to succeed. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for starting your own window cleaning business. The first step is to identify your target market. Are you interested in cleaning residential or commercial properties? What's the demand like in your area? Understanding your target market will help you determine your pricing strategy and marketing approach. Next, you'll need to establish your brand. This includes creating a memorable logo and developing marketing materials, such as business cards and flyers. A strong brand can help you stand out in a competitive market. Before you start taking on clients, it's important to develop a pricing strategy. Consider factors such as the size and complexity of the job, the frequency of cleaning, and the local competition. You'll also need to factor in the cost of supplies and equipment. Speaking of equipment, you'll need to invest in the right tools for the job. This includes squeegees, buckets, extension poles, and cleaning solutions. For commercial jobs or high-rise buildings, you may need to invest in specialized equipment, such as water-fed poles or cherry pickers. Training and safety are also key considerations when starting a window cleaning business. Make sure you and your team are properly trained in the latest cleaning techniques and safety protocols. This will not only protect your clients but also your employees and your business. Legal requirements can vary depending on your location, but in general, you'll need to register your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. This will ensure that you're operating legally and avoid any potential fines or penalties. Finally, marketing is crucial in attracting new clients to your business. This includes building a professional website, leveraging social media, and networking with other businesses in your area. Don't forget the power of word-of-mouth marketing, too. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and refer you to their friends and family. How to expansion strategies and opportunities. You've established a solid foundation and have gained a steady client base. But now, you might be wondering, what's next? How can you take your business to the next level? One way to expand your window cleaning business is to target commercial clients. From office buildings to retail stores, there's a growing demand for professional window cleaning services in the commercial sector. To succeed in the commercial market, you need to invest in specialized equipment and supplies. High-rise buildings require advanced techniques and safety measures, and you need to ensure your team is properly trained and equipped. Another way to expand your business is to offer additional services, such as pressure washing or gutter cleaning. These services complement window cleaning and can provide a new stream of revenue for your business. Marketing is also crucial in growing your business. Consider investing in paid advertising, such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads, to reach a wider audience. And don't forget the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and refer you to their friends and family. Expanding your window cleaning business can also mean expanding your team. As your workload grows, you may need to hire additional employees or subcontractors to ensure you can meet the demand. But as you expand, you also need to make sure you're keeping track of your finances. This means monitoring your expenses, keeping your books up to date, and setting financial goals for your business. Finally, consider building partnerships with other businesses in related industries, such as janitorial services or property management. These partnerships can lead to new opportunities and referrals for your business. Growing your window cleaning business requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to take risks. But with the right strategies and opportunities, you can turn your small business into a thriving enterprise.